Hello guys, and welcome to our new series called the Azure Files. This is the series where what we will be doing is we'll be going through questions every single week from our customers, answering some questions on Microsoft Azure and how we can help our channel going forward. To introduce ourselves, I am you're not.
No. Guess we've got to fix this, right?
Yeah, I think we better fix this. Wait, okay, I feel much better now.
There we go.
I look much, okay, there we go.
Yes, and I still have no hair, so all good.
Okay,
all good in the hood.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. My name is Matt, as you can see. Hi,
and I'm Othelo.
Hi, Othelo. All right, okay, so now that we've got that fixed and this show can go on, I think let's get straight into the question of the week.
Cool. So we have Franz from Centurion, who says he's heard a great deal of positive things about Azure, but isn't sure about where to start. He asks, how can I motivate my boss based on cost savings that Azure is worth looking into?
I think we all have a problem convincing our boss even just to take leave. But yes, okay. Okay, fantastic question. Franz, thank you for that. I think so. What we can do is, I myself have this problem convincing my boss just to take leave. So I think as part of the deal here, I don't know about what you think, but what we could do is we can help you convince your boss on Azure, and you can help us convince our boss to give us more leave.
Well, that's great. So there's a lot of things in Azure that you can actually use to cut down. One of the big things, and I know Matt's played a lot with lately, is something called Runbooks. I don't know if you want to elaborate what Runbooks are.
Sure. So, Franz, what we do with Runbooks is it's a sort of a feature that allows us to power the machines down and power them back on in Microsoft Azure to allow for cost savings when the servers aren't in use. Where this is beneficial is if the servers aren't 24/7 running servers, and generally they only need to be on during working hours, then what we are able to do is schedule the automation runbooks to shut the machine down and power it back on in non-working hours. Now, this is where the saving comes in that I've seen. Maybe you're only going to save 50 Rand a week, but if you think about the amount of time that server runs throughout the whole year, and you take that 50 Rand a week and base it on an annual scale, it's quite a bit of money.
Quite a bit of saving. I know Microsoft call it Runbooks. In the old days, we used to call it scripting or scripts. Just make a fancy name.
If we get back to the question of convincing your boss, there's a lot of cool stuff in Azure besides the cost saving, like you mentioned. And from a management perspective, from a technical management perspective, where do we see the real value in Microsoft Azure? And the management portal is very easy to use. The scaling is awesome. This is the kind of stuff that your boss would actually need to see. So my recommendation, and some of the things that we've done, is by giving someone a demo, we are able to convince them
But hang on, Matt,
quite easily.
Let's stop there, because if we keep talking this way, we don't have any other episodes to talk about.
Oh, that is true, yeah.
So I think maybe we should just say, we can save you money. Runbooks would be to start off with. So what we try and do during the shows is do a geeky fact of the day, or of the week actually. And the geeky fact is, we did a Bing search, I was about to say Google, we did a Bing search on how much Azure is actually consumed out there, and Azure is everywhere.
Is it everywhere?
It is everywhere.
Okay.
Azure is everywhere.
Okay, that's our geeky fact for the week. Azure is everywhere. Well, thanks for joining us, guys. That was awesome. Please keep your questions coming in. We have lots of questions to still answer, but we'd love to hear your feedback on how this is going. So thank you, guys, and don't forget to please subscribe.